Here's another question that has got a lot of students animated from yesterday's Nat 5 paper. I think it was reported in the Scottish Sun. There's been a lot of complaints about this. This is a ball kick from a cliff top. Well, okay, in fact, what this is a parabolic trajectory, mentioned to some of my students, and it is a quadratic. So for 1 mark, and I think all of my students got this, calculate the height of the ball above the cliff top after 2 seconds. Well, here is the relationship, h equals 12t minus 5t squared. So substitute in 2 in place of the t. So h is going to equal 12 times 2. 4, subtract 5 times by 2 squared, so subtract 20, 24 take 20, that's 4 meters for 1 mark. So far, so straightforward. Now, we need to remember this relationship, h equals 12t minus 5t squared, because on the next page, they're describing kicking the ball, and the graph below represents the height h meters of the ball relative to the cliff top after t seconds, and the c is 17 meters below the cliff top. After how many seconds will the ball hit the c? Is h equals 12t minus 5t squared, where h equals negative 17. So negative 17 equals t minus 5t squared. And let's rearrange that and get it into a form that we can do something with. And at Nat 5, we're talking factorizing. So let us take 12t from both sides and also add 5t squared to both sides, and give us 5t squared, take 12t minus 17 equals 0. Okay, well, the numbers look hideous, but believe it or not, they've been fairly kind to us, because the coefficient t squared is 5, and it's a prime. So if I put 5t, this, 0, and also we can see that this is negative, but 17 is also a prime. So I think if we pop into here, negative 17, and that would be plus 1, and 5t times t is 5t squared. Negative 17 times t minus 17t plus 5t would be negative 12t, and negative 17 times by 1 is negative 17, so that works. So I've got 2 possible values of t. I have t, 5t minus 17 equals 0, and t plus 1 equals 0, which means t equals negative 1. Well, that can't be right, because that means I've gone back in time. And also from this one, I have t equals 17 over 5 seconds. So it's looking like the value of t, how many seconds will the ball hit the c? That's t equals 17 over 5 seconds. I'm just going to leave it like a fraction. So there you are. That's the other question that's had students animated this year from the Nat 5 paper. The other one being a snowman question, which is in a separate video. Any comments or anything that you're not sure about, please comment below. And if you like this channel, please subscribe. And here comes the shameless plug. My name's Ian Wild, and I run Your Maths Tutor, and I work with students across Scotland, mainly online, but also face-to-face in and around Edinburgh. Please visit us at yourmathstutor.info. It will be a pleasure to help you.